Hi friends, I am Shilbi Shaji. In this video, I am going to discuss about merge sort. The merge sort is work on the principle of divide and conquer method. Let me show how merge sort is worked with an example. Here, I have an array of 8 elements, indexes starting from 0 to 7, and the elements are 16, 9, 6, 20, 25, 11, 15, and 23. In merge sort, we want to divide the array into sub-arrays. For that, we want to calculate the mid value. For calculating the mid value, the equation is lower index plus higher index divided by 2. Here, the lower index is 0 and the higher index is 7. So, we get 0 plus 7 divided by 2, which is equal to 3.5. So, we take mid value as 3. Then we divide the array into 2, 0 to 3 as first subarray and 4 to 7 as second subarray. Then the elements of first subarray is 16, 9, 6, 20, and the values of second subarray is 25, 11, 15, and 23. The indexes of both the arrays are from 0 to 3. Then we want to calculate mid value for both the subarrays. For calculating the mid, the equation is mid equal to L plus H divided by 2. Here the lower index is 0 and higher index is 3. Divided by 2, we get 1.5. So we take the value of mid as 1. Then we after dividing, we get 4 subarrays. The value of first subarray is 16 and 9. The values of second subarray is 6 and 20. The value of third subarray is 25 and 11. And the value of fourth subarray is 15 and 23. After dividing these 4 subarrays, finally we get a sublist of 8. Then this sublist can be merged to get a final sorted array. For that, we have 8 sublists. Then we want to take the first 2 values. Then we take the first value I equal to 16 and second value as j equal to 9. Then we check whether 16 is less than or greater than 9. So we find that 9 is less than 16. So we change the value of I as 9 and j as 16. So we get first sublist as 9 and 16. Then we take the second 2 values 6 and 20. Then the value of I equal to 6 and the value of j equal to 20. Then we check I 6 is less than or greater than 20. We find that 6 is less than 20. Therefore, there is no change in this sublist. Next, we take I equal to 25 and j equal to 11. Here we check 25 is less than or greater than 11. We find that 11 is less than 25. So we change the value of I. So we change the value of I as 11 and j as 25. This is the third sublist. Then we take the value of I as 15 and value of j as 23. Here we get we check 15 is less than or 23. As 15 is less than 23, so there is no change in the value of I and j. So the 4 sublist is 15 and 23. Then we want to merge these first two subarrays and the next 2 subarrays to get 2 subarrays. Then we want for that we take the value of I as 6, I as 9 and j as 6. Then we compare 9 and 6. We find 6 is smaller than 9. So we set the value of first index in the first sublist as 6. Then we take the value of j as 20. Then we compare 9 and 20. We find that the 9 is less than 20. So the value of second index in the second sublist is 9. Then we take the value of I as 16 and j as 20. We check whether 16 is less than or greater than 20. 16 is less than 20, so we take the value of that sublist third index as 16 and the value of fourth index as 20. Likewise, we want to compare the next two sublists 11, 25 and 15, 23. After comparing, we get a sorted sublist as 11, 15, 23 and 25. In the next step, we want to merge these two sublists. First sublist of values 6, 9, 16 and 20, and the second sublist of 11, 15, 23 and 25. After comparing and merging, we get at last we get a sorted array as 6, 9, 11, 15, 16, 20, 23 and 25. That's all. Thank you.